Artificial intelligence is already part of our everyday life, even if we don't notice it. Let's look at a few simple examples. First, think about YouTube. Have you ever wondered how YouTube shows you videos that match your interests? That's AI at work, analyzing your watch history, likes, and searches to recommend videos you'll enjoy. Next, let's talk about voice typing. When you use a voice assistant or the mic icon on your keyboard to speak instead of typing, AI listens, understands your speech, and converts it to text in real time. It's not magic. It's machine learning models trained on thousands of voices. Lastly, autocorrect. While you're typing on your phone, AI is constantly checking for spelling errors and fixing them for you. It's smart enough to learn your habits, correct common typos, and even suggest words you often use. So next time you use your phone, remember, there's an AI working quietly behind the scenes to make your experience smoother, faster, and smarter.